In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments and mentions in tasks. This is a really useful feature if you're working with a team and you want to keep all your discussions organized right inside your task management tool, instead of spreading them across emails or chat messages. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leave a comment on a task, how to mention specific teammates, and how to make sure the right people get notified. First, open your browser and go to the Goodday website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your projects and tasks. Once you're in, navigate to the project or workspace where your task is located. You can use the main navigation, your recent items, or the search bar to quickly find what you need. Next, click on the task where you want to add a comment. This will open the task details view. Here you'll usually see information like the task title, description, assignee, due dates, and other fields. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct task so your comment goes to the right place. Now, look for the comments section within the task. This is typically located toward the bottom or on the side, clearly labeled as comment or comments. Click on the comment area to activate the text box. Once you click, you should see a cursor appear, and you'll be ready to start typing. To mention someone in your comment, type the @ symbol on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Goodday will usually display a list of people you can mention, such as your teammates or collaborators on the project. This list helps you avoid spelling mistakes and ensures you're tagging the correct person. From the list that appears, click on the person you want to mention. Their name will be inserted right into your comment after the @ symbol. You can continue typing your message around that mention, and you can mention more than one person in the same comment by repeating the @ and selecting additional names. When you're happy with your message and your mentions, look for the submit or send button beneath the comment box. Click on submit to post your comment to the task. After you submit, your comment will appear in the task's activity or comments thread, and the people you mentioned will be notified according to their notification